Hello, grade 11. It is English class with teacher Nikta. Today's lesson, we are going to move to chapter 2, unit 1. Before we start, I want to remind you that you have to have the textbook of English for Cambodia book 5 and also your study material when you are watching this video. Today we are going to move to chapter 2, farming, unit 1, community development. It is on page 7 and page 8. Before we go to the lesson, I want you to learn some of the vocabulary first. The first one, aim, means the thing that you hope to achieve. Development means improvement. Crop means a plant grown for food on a farm. Farmer means someone who owns a farm. Pump means an equipment for making liquid or gas move into or out of something. Threshing machine means a machine for separate the grain from the rest of the crop. Reclaim means to get something back that someone has taken from you. Riverbed means the bottom of a river. Flood means the water covers something. Otherwise means if not. I will read the dialogue for you. Mark works in Cambodia, but now he is on holiday in England. He is talking with his friend Diana. Diana: how's your work going, Mark? Mark: very well, thanks, Diana. Diana: do you work with farmers most of the time? Mark: well, that's the intention. Diana: what exactly do you do with them? Mark: well, the main aim of our community development project is to help farmers grow better and more crops. For example, we help farmers manage their water supply. Diana: what is the main crop? Mark: rice. Diana: rice needs a lot of water, doesn't it? Is there enough? Mark: well, during the rainy season, there's often too much, but during the dry season, there's often not enough. Diana: what can the farmers do when the earth's too dry? Mark: they can get pumps, but they cost about $200 each. Threshing machines are also very expensive, so the whole community must join together to buy these things. Diana: so do the farmers have to share them? Mark: yes, the farmers within each community must work together, but to do that they have to trust each other. That's what community development is all about. Diana: other farmers can pump water into their fields during the dry season. How can they pump it out during the flood? Mark: no, they can't, and it's a problem. The only way floods can be controlled is by reclaiming the forests. Diana: how's that? Mark: well, the trees in the forest hold the earth down when it rains. When they're cut down, the earth is washed away into the rivers. When that happens, the riverbeds slowly begin to rise, and that's what causes the floods. Diana: I see. Do you think the farmers really can make a difference to their lives if they work together then? Mark: oh yes, and they must do so because otherwise they won't be able to grow better and more crops. So this is the end of the conversation. So you can have some time to translate it by yourself and consider the meaning of the conversation. So after you translate it by yourself, you can go to the questions here. We have number 1. Why do farmers need to manage their water supply? 2. Why must whole communities buy pumps and threshing machines? 3. What is community development all about? 4. Why can't pumps be used for? 5. Why must farmers work together to reclaim forests? Okay, I will give you some time to think about the answer by yourself first. You can look at the dialogue and then you can write down short answer into your textbook. Okay, it's time for you to check your answer. Number 1. Because rice needs a lot of water. 2. Because they can't buy by themselves unless they buy together. 3. It's about people must work and trust each other. 4. Pump the flood out. 5. To control the flood. Okay, thank you. This is the end of the unit, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much.